Okay, I think I should finish the first one. Through what angle does the flywheel turn during the first 2 seconds? So it's already talking about the angle. Angulo gulo. So ini nga theta. Okay. So kung may dani mo theta, do you have a constant acceleration for this? Pero itong last AZ, so ano mo acceleration is changing because at time 0 you have an acceleration which is 0, but at time 15 you have your AZ is a function, ano, so your is changing, so di kita makakagamit hini nga formula ini because again this is for constant acceleration. Daton magagamit is ini lang hawaya d theta awadi Wz is d theta over dt. So this is an integration. Amo nga ni calculus kay para nga tanan ada na. So you have Wz which is pero to 1.75 2.75 1.50 2.75 plus 1.50 t squared. So your Wz is actually your d theta all over dt. Di ba? Ganina din ang derivative pero yan na nakita niyo you have this function, then d theta is actually equal to 2.75 dt plus 1.50 t squared dt. Okay? Or pwede nimo gin-enclose lang parenthesis. But anyway, ready for or igbaw pa, d theta is actually 2.75 plus 1.50 t squared tapos gawasan nimo dt. So actually, yes. So kung mati kang kakitan from 0, nagsimula niyang katikangan. Through what angle does the flywheel turn? So, ano kung ito nga, of course, that angle should be from 0 angle. So, meaning, ma-integrate kita, ka-integration naman ini, first 2 seconds. So, from 0 to 2 seconds. So, i-integrate natin ini from 0 to 2 seconds. So, 0 to 2 seconds. Di dire ngayon, sorry. Control Z. Para na, di kay theta lat magawas di. Theta minus T0. Theta lat magawas di. From 0 to a particular theta. Okay? From 0 to T. So, diretsyon ta pag-calculator, we could have a theta should be the integral of 2.75 that is 0 to 2 seconds. Kita yung unit ha. At sa malaki ba seconds tigatag, so integral of another, so 1.50, then you have alpha x squared, then we have 0 to 2. Okay, and then it should give you an answer which is tadang 5.5 radian. So kuha natin by mano-mano, of course adinahi kita adiman to nakadaigbaw ini 1.50 manitiya. So theta minus 0 is equal to 2.75 and then t masubstitute kita from 0 to 2 plus 1.50 ano niya integral of t to the n is t to the 3, diba? N plus 1 all over n plus 1 plus c. Of course, mabutang kita didi, wala kita plus C from 0 to 2. Okay. So, 2 plus 1, 3. So, theta now is equal to 2.75 times 2 minus 0 plus 1.50. We have 2 cube. Units. 2.75 is radians per second. So, ini nga 2 because this is time to seconds. Ay, sa kalipong. Unit. Trunta. 2.75 radians per second multiplied by 2 seconds. So, klaroon ta nala. Seconds. And then, 1.50 radians per second cube multiplied by 2 cube second cube. So, cancel ako din second cube. So, I will have 2.75 plus 1.50 times 8. That is 2 cube. And therefore, that is D, which is wrong. Bakit mali? Ay, sorry. Di ko nalagay yung 3 dito sa baba. May 3 pa dito sa baba. Okay. So, ito divided by 3 lang. So, that is T to the 3. Yung isa dt. 2.75 times 2. Wala akong mag times 2. So, 275. Meron ako ng times 2. Times 2. Kakamali talaga si sir. So, and that should give you that 9.5. 2.75 times 2 from 0 to 2 seconds. Tama man. 2.75, 1.50. Tama man. $1.50 times 2 cube. Sige, add complete ang tagad. All over 3. Tama, all over 3. N plus 1. Sorry. Bakit di tama? Yung binibigay niya kasi sa mano-mano is 9.5 radian. Teka, baka nagkamali ako dun sa sa integral ko. Sa integral of 2.75 dx from 0 to 2. Tapos may plus 1.50 integral. Baka nagkamali nga ako. Integral of alpha x cube. Baka squared nung nalagay ko. Squared alpha x squared. Baka x cube nalagay ko from 0 to 2. 9.5. Nagkamali ako dito sa unang answer. Sorry. Diba, kakamali si sir. Tama na pala. 9.5 t squared. No? Double check kayo rin. Mag-check kayo ha. Hanap kayo ng mali ni sir na hindi pa niya nahanap. Plus points yun. Okay? So, that is, thank you guys.